Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate your search history on the Facebook app for iOS and Android devices. So if you want to view and or delete your search history, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and you want to select your profile icon in the top right corner to open up this menu, and then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Settings and Privacy, select the Settings button, and then underneath Accounts Center, select See More in Accounts Center. Underneath Account Settings, you want to select your information and permissions. And now that we're in here, you want to select where it says Search History. Go ahead and select that. You can select your search history for whatever account you want by selecting your account in here. And then you should be able to see all of your search history, and you can delete them by selecting a little X mark next to your search history. You can also change the sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. So pretty straightforward process on that. And if you click the back arrow, you can also adjust the search history retention period for whatever you want. So if you select the default, which is for the past year, however, you can also select only for 3 days, 7 days, 14, or 30 days, whatever your preference is. So pretty straightforward process, and if you want to do an immediate permanent cleaning of just everything as of right now, you want to do a manual clean, you can select the Clear All Searches button at the bottom of this page, and that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.